What do we call it now? It ain't marriage anymore. Call it new, call it different. It's not the way it was before. Of all the words to choose from, there is only one that fits. Call it what you want to, just call it quits. We come down to the place where love never fits. Call it what you want to, darling, I just call it quits. Turn and walk away, 'cause the desert of our hearts, love turns to sand. We run out of time. You know we've said something, no words could tear apart. Now and yours will be mine. We come down to the place where love never fits. Call it what you want to, but darling, I just call it quits. If friends should call, just tell them that we just don't care. Tell them dreams are flowers and that our guns are bare. Call it separation, independence, divorce, so that word fits. Call it what you want to, I just call it quits. We come down to the place where love never fits. Call it what you want to, darling, I just call it quits. Now you can call it what you want to, baby, I just call it quits. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've sort of fingers back with you again with another lesson preview, a forthcoming lesson. This one is from Glen Campbell and a song called Quits. I think it's off his Rhinestone Cowboy album, CD, okay? So quite a lot going on in this song, lots of chord changes and progressions and such like. Quite an interesting song to play. The original recording that I've been playing with to work it out from is actually, the guitar is actually detuned by half a step, okay, which is what I'm in at the moment, so I can play along with the record. When I do the actual lesson, I might be standard tuned, so you don't have to detune your guitars, okay? So anyway, it was a bit rough around the edges, as you can tell. I'm still working on it and smoothing out the edges, rough edges. And hopefully I'll be back with you in a few days' time with the lesson for those of you that are interested. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.